Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. This is one of the bonus episodes that we're talking about some of the things I've learned over the years in business, and actually some of the things I learned in high school at Diversified Occupation Education. This was a VOTEC course that I was in the 70s. This was actually a lesson from that course, Cream and Scum. You're going to go, what? What kind of lesson, business lesson, is cream and scum? There's only two things that rise to the top: cream and scum. And it's your choice. You can be as good as you can possibly be. You can be friendly. You can be courteous. You can be respectful. You can be ambitious. You can be on time. You can be all the good traits. You can be the guy that gets done the project that he's given to be done. And that's cream. Or you can be the other guy. You can be the guy, and we're going to call him the scum. You can be the guy that maybe he doesn't do his work as good, but he sabotages his co-workers. And, he's just miserable to be around, and, he's nice to your face. He's the typical brown noser. And he's nice to your face, and he sucks up to the boss, and it's all phony because there's no substance to them. Or you can be the cream, and you can go home at night when you're done with work. You can go home at night, you can put your head on the pillow, and you can sleep well. I've never operated as the scum. When I go home at night, I put my head in the pillow and I sleep. That's when the arthritis isn't bothering me. I imagine the guys that, operate less reputably, I can't imagine they sleep as well. There's a lot to being the cream and why this is genuine and not brown nosing. Let's just take the friendly part. You and your coworker, work ethics and habits are identical. Your IQs are identical. The difference is you're polite, you're friendly, and it's not artificial. It's easy enough to be nice to people. And you don't complain. You take projects and you just move on. And then there's the other guy. The other guy, hey, Joe, I need that paperwork by the end of the day. You'll get it when you get it. Nobody wants to talk to that guy. Maybe he'll have it by the end of the day like he was asked, but he's not friendly about it. When your boss is promoted and he makes the recommendation of who fills his spot, do you think it's going to be you who does the same quality of work as the other guy, but you're friendly, easy to get along with, and you're not mean about things? Or do you think it's going to be the other guy? Cream rises to the top. So does scum, but this wasn't cream and scum there. They had the equal abilities. But one was friendly, one wasn't. So be friendly, be polite. The other side of the cream and scum thing goes down a road that I can't explain well on the scum side. Now, I'm not going to talk religion, but I'm going to tell you my beliefs. I'm born-again Christian, and one of my favorite passages is it's James 4:17, and paraphrased it is, if a man knows the difference between right and wrong and chooses wrong, it is sin. I operate my life like that, and before I ever thought about who God was, the concept of good character was pounded into me by my parents. I never cheated a customer. I never stole money. I never did any of that. I had my other issues, but good character is something that you need to have. It's part of that cream side. I don't know how people sleep. I don't know how people stand themselves that decide they're going to cheat, lie, steal their way to the top. And there's people that do it. Don't be those people. Operate with good character. One of the best ways to figure out good character and to emulate it is to seek out Jesus. Find out who God is. This is business advice. You don't need God to run a business, but it sure can't hurt you. So, anyway, there's only two things that rise to the top, and that's cream and scum, and it's your choice what it is, and you'll sure sleep better trying to be the cream. That's it. This is a bonus episode from the Compressor Guru. God bless you. Have a great day. Hit like, subscribe. If you want to see more of these, make sure you hit that notify bell. Questions, comments, leave them in area below, the comments below. And you can contact me through thecompressorguru.com. There's a contact page there. And if you email me, I will respond. Thank you. God bless. Have a great day.